Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a WhatsApp button on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify dashboard, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right now, go to the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these sections. So right here, you're going to find home, orders, products, customers, content, analytics. You're going to find marketing and discounts. And here under sales channels, you're going to find point of sale and also online store. And lastly, here you're going to find apps. So basically, guys, right now, go ahead and click on apps. And then once you do that right here, you're going to find all of your installed apps. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find all the recommended apps and also app and sales channel settings. Click on all the recommended apps, and then here in the bottom, you're gonna find Get More Recommendation in the Shopify App Store. Click on Shopify App Store, and then you're gonna be redirected to it. So once you're here, just go to the top, and then here you're gonna find the search bar. Give it a click, and then search for WhatsApp like this, and then hit enter. Once you do that, you're gonna find all these applications right here. As you can see, guys, just choose the application that you like. So I'm going to choose this one, WhatsApp chat button. Give it a click. And then once you do that, you're going to be here in the application page. Right here, you're going to find some information about the application. And here, you're going to find the um, option to install it. Click on install. And then it's going to be added to your Shopify dashboard. Once you do that, click on open. And then once you open it, you're going to be right here. So once here, as you can see guys, here you're going to find the option to create a WhatsApp button. Just click on it. And after that, you can choose the style and everything and then save it. And then you're going to be able to add it to your store. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.